Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix World Map restricted accounts. Firstly, try updating the World app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version from your device's App Store. Secondly, restart the app and your device. Close the World app completely, restart your phone and open the app again. Thirdly, check your login details. Use the same phone number and device you used when you set up your account, and if you have a backup, use it to restore your account. If not, don't delete your app or Go may lose access. And finally, contact their support. Open the app and go to the menu, then find Settings. Tap Support and start a support chat. Explain your issue and follow the instructions support team gives you. And if you get a message that support cannot assist, your account may be permanently restricted. You can still use the app to send or restore tokens, but they may lose some features. Always use only one account per phone and keep backups if possible to avoid issues in the future. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.